everyone, my name is Dari Pumpkin and welcome to my channel where we'll explore the world of photography and editing. Make sure you press that subscribe button and click notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest tutorial. So let's dive in. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful tools in Photoshop, the Liquify tool, and specifically push left tool. I know not many people use it, but trust me, after this tutorial you would definitely want to use it. Well, at least try and give it a go. Maybe you would love it just as much as I do, so let's dive in. I've already got my picture opened up on Photoshop, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a copy layer of this picture. Then I'm going to open filters and I'm going to go to Liquify, or you can just press Shift Control X. So I click on that and it opens up the picture. So mostly a lot of people would be using this tool on the left, which is called forward warp tool. So what it does is basically pushes all the pixels in a specific direction that you need. However, I do find it a bit more time consuming. So there are also tools like reconstruct, smooth tool, bloat tool, which you know what it does. It's basically making a size of whatever object you need bigger. But the tool I'm going to be talking about today is actually this one on the left, which is called push left tool. So what's it going to do? Think of it as if all the pixels are being pushed in the direction of your right hand's thumb. So you just kind of think that all the pixels will be moving in that direction, so that's the direction you're going to be moving. So all I'm going to do is going to push all these ever so slightly. You can adjust the size and the pressure, which is right here on your right side. I'll do it on my tablet because I find it easier. So I'll make it smaller and I can push all these little creases in to make them smoother. So what's the priority of this tool? Why I think it's much better? The reason being is that instead of pushing it individually like that, you can simply just do a slide it in a specific direction that you need, and it makes it so much faster. So if you do it up, do it down, and do it in any direction. There you go. I mean, obviously that's not the picture I'll be using, but it's just to show you how easy it is. The good way to practice is if you actually create a new layer, just draw some figure on it, make a copy, go to Liquify, and then just practice to make it smoother. I mean, if you've never used this tool, I'd strongly advise to use it because honestly it makes my life so much easier. Considering that you've got like long hair or long legs and you don't want to make it look bumpy, all you gotta do is just slide it down and make it nice and smooth. It takes some practice, but once you're into it, once you get a grip, it just makes your life so much easier. And there you go, here we are. Much better, isn't it? Perfect circle, well, almost. Obviously I can go smaller, make it much easier and smaller. And here we are. So now I've got before and after, before and after. And it only took me, what, less than a minute. It takes some practice, but I definitely recommend trying using it. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and I'll hope to see you next time. Thank you, bye!